Interstate batteries from Costco usually have a date sticker that shows when they were made or put on the shelf. So if you see a sticker that says 2/23 in an orange tone, that probably means it was made or stocked in February 2023. So, if your battery died after just over 2 years, even though it has a 30-month warranty, that sticker date is key for figuring out if you're still covered. First, check if you're still a Costco member, because their battery warranty is only valid for current members. Next, bring the battery back to Costco along with your membership card. Without an active membership, they might not honor the warranty. When you get there, be ready to show your receipt or at least have your Costco account info handy, since they often look up purchases linked to your membership. Also, keep in mind that Costco can be strict about verifying membership details, like checking the photo on your card. If your membership or receipt isn't available, they might still help if the battery is clearly within the warranty period based on the sticker date. Lastly, don't hesitate to explain your situation calmly, as the staff usually want to help but have rules to follow. One of the biggest mistakes people make with Costco interstate battery warranties is not keeping their membership active, which can lead to denial of warranty claims even if the battery is still good. To fix this, always renew your membership before making any big returns or warranty claims. Another common issue is losing the original purchase receipt or not knowing how to access it. You can avoid this by linking your purchase to your Costco account or saving digital receipts. Lastly, some folks assume the sticker date means the battery was bought then, but it might just be the manufacturing or stocking date. So always confirm with Costco staff before assuming your warranty period started on that date. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually get the job done right without all the hassle. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors looking to connect with new clients and grow their business without spending tons of time chasing leads.